Max and Jordan, and today we're going to be playing Piggy roleplay. Now we're going to be getting the new redesigned Clowney skin, which is I found where he is. Just follow me if you guys are watching this video and you're like, yeah, if you just seen this video, just follow me and you'll be right there. Yep, there it is. The badge. We have it, right? The badge? Yep, we got the Clowney redesign concept. Now let's just oof right here, and we will go ahead and go back. So next, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get another skin in this roleplay. Sorry guys, I just took off. But yeah, let's go to infected skins. Oh, there's a lot of things that I missed. But I'll just show you. Oh, we got Clowney redesign concepts. Clowney concept redesign. Okay, so we found it. So let's see what he looks. Oh my god, look at his eye control. Oh my god, that's cool. And then he has the bat on. Now I won't be revealing his jump scare, but look at the way he walks. There's seriously a picture on his legs. This kind of is just like Clowney, but different colors. Yeah, this is definitely Clowney, but with different sides of colors. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I know it was a fast one. I just wanted to show you guys how to get it. And the next one, I think I'll be getting... Actually, what about now? What if we actually go ahead and get... Okay, guys, I want you guys to tell me in the comments. Okay, I'm thinking of getting... not links. How'd you call it again? That. Lathem. Yeah. That one. Lathem. I don't know. But, yeah. I guess that's it. But make sure you subscribe, and in the next part, we're going to be finding Lathem with Clowney's redesign. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.